Alright, so I'm at Chilitos restaurant. Yeah, you can see the sign. So I'm going to do my first food review. I've never really done an official food review before, so I'm gonna do my first food review of this restaurant and tell you guys, because everybody I talk about it, Chilitos, or the place nice, blah blah blah, rare, but I've never been here before, so we're gonna check it out and tell you guys how it goes. Alright, so first off, coming in, customer service nice so far. Somebody greeted us. You know, you got some restaurant and people make it feel nice, like yeah, somebody greeted us quick and fast, and now we're seated and we're checking out the menu. So thus far, Chilitos are going, because you know we pay for good customer service. Alright, so I go on the menu. Alright, so this is what the menu looks like. Price them not look too bad. Yeah. You know, for my mobile peeps, it seems like a nice place that you can come and visit. Alright. No, not yet. Yes. Give us about 2 minutes. See? Service prompt, like people ready and come and check out, like yo, you know, if you're ready to order. I like that. So let us see if after we place our order, how long we're going to take for us to get served. Alright, so yeah, I tried to show you guys as best as I could how the menu looks. But I'm going to check out the menu now and then we're going to order. And yeah. And this is the drink menu. So this is Donte Palmore, El Waste Man, what the Jongo Dongo, Jamexican Shandy. Alright. Maybe we're going to try the Donte Palmore. Yeah. So what's this? Tequila, grapefruit soda, topped with a splash of bitters. El Waste Man, tequila, white rum.
Oh, J Empire. Yeah.
Alright, this is like a Waste Man, I win, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, so I went with
The audio drinks already done?
yeah. So I ordered the whole bowl with jerk chicken as a protein, salsa pico de gallo. So let me show it. So the whole bowl, this is it. Brown rice, guac, plantain, corn salad, all of that. And then the filling is here. So the jerk chicken. And then for the salsa, I took the pico de gallo. Alright, so I will tell you guys how that, and I took the Waste Man. Boy, I think that's something I'm going to look for 6 still in it. But I'll tell you guys how the taste part. Yeah. I hope it's good. The belly and Mexican food really don't work. But I hope this Mexican food sits. I know it's Jamexican, so it should be good. Alright, so if food finally reached, food look good, rice look good, refried beans, jerk chicken, guac, plantain, beer thing are going. So we're going to deal with the taste test now and make you know why it's freezing. Alright, I think I'm going to try some of the rice first. Yeah, camera they look blurry a while ago. Alright, so try some of the refried bean. I'm gonna do refried bean tastes like meat in there. I'm gonna record the whole thing as a sample. Alright, so the wait time was a little bit long, but it was cool. Refried bean spicy, fresh. Alright. Some of the rice good. Oh, they didn't have any pico de gallo, so I got some spicy salsa. I'm gonna try some of the corn. This is the corn with the spicy salsa. Whoa. spicy salsa have some heat. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, so drinks is here. Boy, that one I look like I don't touch my wine now. But so far guys, like the food, it's excellent, no joke. So sure, bring it, man. I'm gonna try some of the jerk chicken. Jerk chicken is okay. Jerk chicken jerky. Jerk chicken jerky. Now after. I like an after kick. Fried plantain, good. Guac. I've had guacamole before and I hated it. Maybe I had a little foreign here them. Maybe, but this is good. Like, oh wait, let me try some of the jerk chicken.
And tonight
with the
I think this come with chips.
With the sauce.
It's not
good.
On the menu it says it comes with
right. This dish, like the entire dish, I would give this dish 8.5 out of 10. Yeah. 8.5 out of 10. I mean, fresh and everything, but it's not like, oh wow, this is so amazing. Like, best thing I ever taste.
Mine is good.
Yours is good. Like, what would you rate yours?
Like a 9.
Like a 9. So 8.5, 9, yeah. It's very, very good. Like, it's really good. We'll try some of that drink, you know. Oh my god. That drink, banging. My name? Waste man. Rum waste, some rum waste man. It bad, banging. Peeps, yeah, definitely in terms of recommendations to check out Chilitos, that would definitely be a go. Yeah, I would recommend you guys to check out Chilitos. Anyways, guys, cut me a cut for right now because shell me go shell down this. I'm gonna give you one last view of our go on. A shell inside now. Trust me. Alright. So upon careful revision, may I get Chilitos a 10 out of 10. Look on the bowl. Yo, everybody food shell. 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 How's the food, guys? Shell? Shell? 10 out of 10. Swear to God, no joke. We don't have to check out that place. Alright, so big man thing, we have to make them go on with the bag nice. I never so sure about the Jamexican thing I call. I try Taco Bell and fire them. Never like it, shit down the whole place. But I tell you, right now, everybody who watch this right now, I tell you, Chilitos don't have to check them out. No joke. Service, excellent. At the first place, well no, let me not say the first place, but usually when you go to certain places, security don't have no behavior. Right now, I tell you, even the security team up from a reach, man, they must say, alright, boom, bam, bang, round this up. You understand what I say? You just feel good and feel nice when I enter the place. Yeah, man. I like it. But check it out. You don't have to check it out. I mean, really, dog? No, dog, I don't have no manners. But anyways, my peeps, Chilitos, Kingston, check them out. Alright, don't forget to do the right thing. Alright, guys, like, subscribe, share. I soon I like up the video, man. I see the subscription not go up, you know. I see the subscription. Don't watch Scruffy in the background. I see the subscription them and go. See it? Yo, stop going like on a friend like that. Don't forget to do the right thing. like, subscribe, share. Guys, I'm out. Go take on the road, you know how it go. Yeah, man, in a real life with Donte, no joke.